This episode, we finish our Raptor light install from Yota Xpedition with some tips for when you do your install. So let's get going. Okay guys, Yota wrote back to me, excellent service. I got their information today on January 1st, which is a holiday, so thank you Yota for getting back to us here at On Down the Road Productions. You put the Raptor lights in from the front of the grill and push through that cabling, and then it just snaps in place into the grill, and it looks like this. Okay, right here you can see, they just push in here, right here. I had not wanted to push in because I didn't want to break or scratch this plastic grill, but it all worked out. So they are in. With that first tip, let me give you another tip.
A few moments later.
Okay, right where the grommet goes through the firewall, you do push it all through as much as you can, and then you put the grommet in place. That's the easy part. On the inside of the vehicle, use this to pull it through. If you have a tool like this that you can go up where it comes through the firewall and pull it through, that's what we did. Instead of trying to do it over and over again, we were able to hook it and pull it down for installation into the fuse box. Okay, you can see how we took this tool and just pulled it through to get it to here for the installation. And our other top tip is you'll want to depress your emergency brake. It just helps out with access to the fuse box, which is right there. Looking pretty good. Thank you, Yota Xpedition. I think the whole front of the truck works a million times better. Total relief. I'm so happy the Raptor lights are in. And just these last few days, we've had a bit of warmer weather with a lot of fog and a lot of rain. And let me share with everyone, Raptor lights on your truck or 4Runner or whatever really do help with visibility for the other motorists coming your way. I know it's a cool look. Love the look. So I want to thank Yota Xpedition again. They reached out to me on New Year's Day, which is a holiday. It was a holiday for me. And I got my lights in pretty quick. I tend to be on the cautious side because I work on motorcycles a lot. And you know, I don't want to scratch stuff or break stuff prematurely. I had been to the point of forcing it through the front of the grill. The connector pin, which is round and doesn't fit through there cleanly. That's ultimately what we had to do. So it's a great product, and I recommend everyone purchase from Yota Xpedition. They're a great overlanding 4Runner rig company and platform, and I like them a lot, and I recommend them to you as well. Now the other thing I want to say is we offered a couple quick tips, whether it's using that hook screwdriver to pull through the cabling or depressing the brake pedal down for more clearance. Those are simple things. The other thing though is that watch for a future episode, because I will install a circuit relay and a switch in the dashboard so I can shut the Raptor lights on and off from inside the truck. So I'll do that as a future video and episode. Also too, we've got some merch, some swag, and if you want to check that out or buy anything, this will help us out a lot. Or if you're so inclined, you can help us out on Patreon as well. We'd appreciate that. Until next episode, make sure to take care of yourselves, take care of each other, live your best day possible. And as I found out, always, nothing in life is perfect, but I was patient through the process and dealt with a great company. Thank you again, Yota. Until next episode, thank you.